Hey guys, so it's about 2 a.m. and I can't sleep. So right now, yeah, I came in the shop to unbox some of my small pouch parcel. Yeah. This is just a few lang guys. Few ra gyud siya kesa sa mga all the stocks I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh my god, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, let's open the 15 pouches. Lasa ako magawa, guys. This is just my small parcels. Hindi pa kasama yung iba. At yung iba, binuksan ko na yung kanina, which is my hiking gears. It's 6 pieces of pouch. I need, anyways, this is yeah, most of these items is for shop. Para sa shop din. Like, look at this. Tawad ko na nula na buksan. Dito ka nga, nak. Diyan ka lang, nak. Tulungan mo kaya mag-abris si mama, nak. No? Okay. First of all is we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is, guys, this is so cute. Maigo siya hanggang XL. And look at this. Skirt. Kana ba ito usok? Cute, diba? I hope you see it. Yeah. You need to look the video, anak. And can I excuse you? Lovely, handsome. Can I excuse you for a while? We just have to put this there. And let's go to next parcel. This one. Okay. Let's take a look if the video is still on. Yes, it has. It is. Yes, it is. Okay, anak. Oh my God. Sige lang naman, bitaw ko. Guys, namanti ko. Bahala kayo dyan. Makita nyo ang aking ano. Anyway. Next one. This is money. Ano. If I remember. Yeah. This is money. Ay, hindi. Mali. Ako lang ba? Babaeng ano guys, kanang dili mabuhi og walay tissues. Look cute, gugmay man din siya. I get scam. Tissues guys. Hindi ko kayang walang tissue. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 6. Ba't parang kulang? Magkulang, gikuhaan na siya. And also marker for my school. It's a lot, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Dami siya. 10 pieces. And I hope it's work. Tanan. Muagi. Ano ginagawa mo dyan, Dong? Dito ka lang, Dong. Sige, dyan na siya. And this is the money detector, guys. Look at that. It's for business, guys. Yeah. Let's try nga kung mugana ba siya. Anong ginagawa mo dyan, anak? Anong gawa mo dyan? Na-stir ko. Diyan ka lang. Oh, ikaw ang aking, manikinak. Okay. Ooh, it's working! Yeah, it's working, honey. It's working. Let's try with the money. Let's try with the 500 bill in the 1,000. Look at that, anak. How could we... Ooh, guys, take a look. It's pretty. Dili na tama, ano. And never ba naman, guys, ikabalo mo kumutanaw sa kwarta. Wow! Let's take a look for the old bills. Try na to siya i-check sa mga old bills naman. Yeah. Try na to siya. Kaniha kahit luma. Wow! I got it. Funny Danakis. Old bills. Ooh. I never ko naka-hold of fake bills, guys, since, yeah. That's it. I like it. Perfect. Sakto siya, guys. So, money detector. It's a money detector, honey. Next tayo, honey. Next parcel, anak. Pero bakit kasi kulang to? Baka freebie lang yun. Okay, let's take a look again, honey, kung still video we're working on. Yeah, it has. Kita na po ninyo kung Fanti. Fanti lang yan, guys. And I have this one, guys. Oh. Ang dami kong nabudol. Next. This one, guys, is if you know, alam niyo na yun? Nipple pad, guys. Nipple patch. I brought 5 pieces for starting. Yeah, I have this one, guys. Buy nyo na din yan. Next one. Balitan natin sa shop, guys. This one naman is swimsuits. Oh my god, I'm not ready for this. Later na lang ikaw. Matagal yun eh. Matagal na buksan. Oh yeah. This one, guys, is... You see it na sa shop. Bilangin ko na lang mamaya, no? Yeah. Yes. Yes, anak. Naubusan na ba ako? Ano siya, guys, oh. Pero parang wrong a product. Hindi siya bulak-bulak, and then this one. Perfect, diba? Huwag kang magsinamok, anak. Oy! Dira ka mama, oh. Dira ikaw, oh. Okay na ikaw. Asan na ka? Mag-drink kag water? Okay. Okay po. Mag-drink lang ikaw water. Tapos, to go back. Come back here, ha? Next one. Guys, swimsuit. I'm not ready for this. Now, let's take a look. Ooh. Grabe siya ka-sealed. Kasi hindi ko na ma-remember ang kung pang order. Oh, yeah! It's a clip for my shop, guys. Clip bitaw kanang pang price product. I got 20. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18. All right, perfect. 20 pieces, guys. Perfect pala siya. Next one. Next we have, this is just a small, pinaka-small na parcel. Anak, asan ka na? Star? Where are you? Come here, Daddy. Come here. Come there, anak. Come to mama. Sorry po. Did I disturb your sleep? Come na. Sorry po. You're not, good naki, ha? Small thing, guys. Just an, cloth ink. Dili na lang ito basta mawala. Ikaw bitaw, you're so gid nak. You're not supportive to mama. Yeah, as you can see, mama's unboxing. This is for your food, anak. Honey, it's look, it's for your food. So you should kuan. Ay, I'm sorry. Hala, hala. Tawara ko nag-order po tayo kong marker. Hala, uy. Suduhan na akong marker. Ano ba yan? Hala, uy. Maram magmaestra. Maram tag magmaestra kay kadaghan ba sa marker ta. Oh my God. Wrong. Order ako ulit ng marker, guys. Guys, oh, duwan na akong marker. OMG. And I have this one. I actually want a white one, but then naubusan ko og white. So, yeah. I got a carton color. Sakto ra siya. Price tag, yun. Like, look at this. Let me... Honey, where are you? RR, come here. Look at that, guys. Let me, look. Yun. Tapos, yan na din ang items. Diba? Mura, sorry store. Or bitaw dili na mo magsigi og ask. Surprise. So, yeah. Invest. Guys, naubos ang savings ko dito. Pero yeah, hindi nyo naman ako inutusan na gawin to. Actually, isang marker lang dapat ang bilhin ko. Sige lang, 50 lang naman na. 50 pesos or na, guys. Grabe, no? Medyo taod-taod na. And I bought this one para sa mga certificates. Yeah. Para sa akong documents. Important documents like certificate, marriage contract. Wala pa. Wala pa kay marriage contract. Okay. Kinda cute, guys. Ganahan ko sa iyo. That's why I brought that two. Two for my mama. For my manghod. Yun. Diba? It's so cute. Oh, and then, ganda. I don't have to explain it. How nice it is. Tsaka ang haggard ko na, guys, but I don't care. I don't care. RR? 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 Come here. R? RR? Hala, wala hindi ko ni mama. Ali na. Ali ba? Tuma na siya, uy. Ako anak na, guys, kay gapalayo kay Saba daw kaayo ko. Dara ka mama, oh, dara. Dara. Ay gawa, please lang, ay gawa. Ay sorry. Guys, next one. Gabiyaan man kunin mo na ki, oy. Ay biya si mama ba. Ay guys. Kung naatay kanina, putay of course kani. My goodness. I hope complete kay medyo taod-taod ko na yung nabrihan, oy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I order 15. Yeah, 15 na nipple pad and then the push-up, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14 ra? I think so. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My nose is 18, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 pieces lang siya, anak. Parang, mali. Parang kulang siya, anak. Parang kulang siya na kinaki. Diyan lang yun, anak. Tapos marami pa tayong bubuksan. Ay, few na lang pala. Ito, guys, is Sige, wag na to. Ano ba yan? Nakalimutan ko na. Dire na lang muna to. Yeah, this is NSS. NSS. For my suga. This one, guys, is... Wait anak ha. Wait lang, naki ha. Ang akong anak ay sobra kasuplado. Sobra kasuplado man. Oo. You're so suplado, naki. Oy, you're not supporting mama. You should support mama unboxing his items. Told you to support mama when unboxing items. Okay? We're almost done naman, anak. We're almost done, and then you could sleep na without any disturbance. I promise, okay? I promise. Guys, this one is wait. Wait. Gikuan lagi nyo. Ay! Sorry, anak. This one, guys, is for yun. Cutie kayang sudlanan. Oh, cartoon. Para dili siguro mapugset. This is just a sunscreen, guys, from Brilliant Sunscreen. This is not for you, honey. I'm sorry. Next one. Another tops. Yeah, I brought brown. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is cute. Naubos na kasi yung brown ko nito. Nara siya, guys, oh. Look. Diba? Cute. Kinda cute. 5 lang yan. And the next one. Hala, last 2, guys. Swimsuit ang isa. Tapos, actually, medyo daghan din siya. And I brought 4, honey. Really? Like how? Honey, it's just 4. Anyway, let me see. Napatra dahil ni? Ito na lang, nag-video tayo, anak. Kaya marag kulang ilang gipadala na. Muna siya, guys, oh. Cute, diba? Tapos with ribbon. Tube ni siya, guys. Yan, tube top with ganyan. Tapos with ribbon. We'll post the picture of it. Next one is kani. Sige, abrihan ko na lang ni. Guys, this is partition curtain. Dari kanak, oh. Dari kanak. Wala yung madisturbo si Madra. Promise. Wala. Sorry po. This is partition curtain. 180 by 180 for my new shop. Guys, oh. Wow, ang ganda. Nice kani siya, guys, though. Like, actually, this is for kanang tawag para sa shower, but then pwede siya partition manggod. Pwede na pud siya sa para dili na ka magpahimo bitog something kuan pang bangil like kwarto. Partition mo na lang kay labi na ako nga sumhanon kaayo ko. Gusto ko maglahi-lahi ako ang background. That's why I got the partition and I got the beige color. This is 180 by 180 ang size. So I got the 2 and it's perfect. Partition curtain. And then it has this one, a hook. Yeah. Hala, oy, kaluoy, basa kong tsunanak, oy. Na-istorbo ikaw, RR? Istorbo si RR? Sorry po. Sorry po, RR. Sorry for disturbing you na kinak. Tomorrow again ang kwan, guys. Ay! Let's open this one also. That's for Rad for this one. But yeah, the one that you're waiting for. Swimsuit. Guys, it's a swimsuit. Uy, grabe kadaghan. Anyway. Swimsuit lang to, guys. I think this is 10 pieces. My gosh. Isn't my video still working? Lupig pa yung nangabri og kwan, guys. Gifts akong gibuhat karon. May pasok ba ako earlier tomorrow? That's why I'm here at the shop. Pag meron kasi akong pasok na sobrang maaga, but I keep stay in the shop. Yeah. And I have my sister here with me. Nah! You know what? I need to zoom it in to you. Yeah. Wait, let me zoom in. Kanina lang sa akong abrihan for you guys to see it. So this is, as I said, it's a rod for my partition. Hala, I think, hala. Kasya ba ang hook? Ay, kasya. Kasya naman siya. Naki? Naki? Sorry, nabilar ang Naki. Dahil dyan, may food ikaw tomorrow. Meron kang treats tomorrow, Anaki. Since very good ikaw, meron kang treats. Yeah. Kani siya, guys, is 310 by 60 ang kahaba niya. Yeah, 310 by 60. Oh my gosh. Why is it so hard? Yeah. Hoy, nagisi lagi. Ahay, nako. Hindi lagi ka nagisi. Gyapon ka. Ayoko kasi gisiin, guys, kasi parang may nang pakalalagyan ba? Ay! Ay! Igisi mo sa day na ako. Dinihinay pa ko, nagisi naman day na ako. Buang. Sige na nga. Guys, oh. Look at this. This is the instruction on how to use. And then, yeah. Can't wait to try. Really can't wait to try on na. Oh my god. I wish it's all done. One. Kasya, unta ni, uy. Kasya lagi ni. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Okay, and then let me zoom into you guys the partial swimsuit. Daghan ni swimsuit, guys. Abrihan ako ugma. Then marag dugay-dugay pagid ta makabalhin. Sige. That's the rod. Right now, let me zoom into you the kuan. Wait. The swimsuit. Yeah, the swimsuit. But first, yeah, I brought this one. I got a cutie cat. And then this one for hiking, para dili mahulog imuhang ano. And then this one, I got this one for ano, kay medyo stressing ako. And then, ganina ni. And then I have this one to where I put my glass on for hiking. Hi! Ang aking cravings ngayon ay bundok and yeah, I brought this one guys. I got a few color like beige, black, green, and then yeah, so on. And kita niyo ng earring dira sa gilid. Di ba she's so cute? I bought I bought 10 I bought 6 pieces but duha ra ako ana guys because the rest is for my squad. And I got this jacket. You can look, you can stalk me in my TikTok account. So yeah, nice kay iyahang tela guys. If someone asks about the jacket, you can stalk me in my TikTok and I'm gonna put the link there. Yeah, that one. Taud-taud na ni guys, but then karon pa nakagebre yan. So yeah, wait lang. And I have this one for my thing like sabon, something like that. For also for for travel. I got also this one. So this is separate price guys. This is leggings. Leggings. Bagay sila i-partner atong akong jacket. And it's kind of cute and sexy for petite. And there was still a prices, ay sizes naman guys. So you can choose. And then I have my cargo and it's pretty. It's pretty for ano gid siya pang hike. No. Pero I think dili siya ano like yung tela is never mind. I'm not into it, but at least I got this for only 200 something, 200 plus. And I also have this one kay gisuman ako ato kung mga new, I mean sa old ano, so I got this since it's too cute naman nga sudlanan. It's really cute and handy, that's why I got this. And I have this one for my travel, yeah, water surfing, mga nga na at least no, hindi mabasa akong gamit. This is 10 pack. Everything is from ano, everything's from TikTok. I also have this one. I know this is old pala. And I got lots and lots of socks. I got lots and lots of socks from TikTok again. So, yeah. Install na gina ko niya akong TikTok guys. Kay grabe, makabudol ng TikTok. I got all of this. No, this is for my hiking. I got also black cream and this is for my school. If I were a sapatos or shoes. And I have this one. It's so mahal, guys. It's really mahal. Like, worth almost 299 yeah. Okay. I don't know. It's so cute for hiking na siya na. Maybe because of the materials ng mahal siya. And this one, the hook. Muning nakamahal. Fine, cute siya. Cute siya. As in, this is for single use. Maybe, may gusto mo ano. Yeah. And I have this one. It has crack in there, but pwede na. Pwede na eh. Okay lang yan. So, few crack. And then, so on, so all. A lot pa. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna have this one, guys. Sungkod para dili ka magbisod pag hike. Diba? Cute. I actually choose red, but then black ang ilang ikon. Pero okay lang. Okay lang. Red akong gi-order, black ilang padala. Sige. So now, let's make a closer look for the swimsuit. Closer look for swimsuit, guys. So you can see it. Very, sorry. Sorry for the... Hala, 30 minutes na pala, nak. 30 minutes na tagala. Ga-video dyan. 30 minutes na taga-video dyan. Ay! Hala. Bala na yun, nagbasta kay nagpanti ko. Panty ra na guys. Ga-swimsuit ng gani ko. Gina-post pa na ako. Okay lang yun. Anyway. Hala, oy, na-disturbo na gining iring nga. Kuan, oy. Iring nga diga pa disturbo. Guys, look. Hala, din siya pwede tumban. Guys, look. Agay. Agay ba? Guys, look. Diba? Ang ganda niya. My gosh. Like, look. Oh my god. The panty niya is this one. We'll take a photo with this. Soon. Small size. Pretty, diba? We have black. Sa ato nga design, we have black. Ayaw na! Madaot na! Di na namahalin. We have black. Huwag kang ang ano. We have black. 1. We have red. 2. We have red, guys. The same ato. This is XS. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rani. Dari. Take a video, guys. Kaya basig kulang ba? Nice kaya po niya siya, guys. Oh. Like, look at that. Diba? XS pa yan. And XS on tag na siya, guys. Then, diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, ang tagal-tagal ko siyang ipakita sa inyo. This is XS on tag. And I have also this one. Two pieces. It's also XS, guys. Diba? So cute. And then the panty. Diba? Ang ganda. Tsura na ba na ako? Di sa ka na ako i-close, no? Sige, di sa na ako i-close kay para para mapicturan na ako. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hello guys, I got this one also. Pero medyo bigger size na siya. Pero pwede na rin. Diba? It's a black. Nakuha ni XS but sold na siya. Kaya na nga yan. I'm so sleepy na. Diba? Mura ning way so to make me sleep pala. Mag-unbox ka. I have this one. Extra small. I like the mango, the color in the fabric. That's why I bought this one. But this is not for me, guys. It's for you. So you should buy na. So I also have the pink one. It's cutie. Like, look at the see? Look at the the push-up, the bra. Got the red one. Dagan siya, guys. Naalang sa Pikas, Ay, naku. Nahirap pa na ako. Hala, what happened? We have the red one. XS to siya, guys. The red one. Ooh, diba? Papa ka siya. Ito, medium pala to. I got medium pala. Pero nanay XS and small, guys. I have 10 pieces with that. So, I have the black. And I got RR. R, where are you? Mali na rin na. So, I also have this red one. Sige. But guys, dagan kay ni guys sa napadad to sa because maybe ma-open ako siya tomorrow. Diba? The pink one is pretty also. Also, yeah, pretty. So, that's all. So, dagan kitag basura. Right now, magkuha na to sa itong mga basura. Manghipos na. Hindi na nga bilin. Guys, okay na siguro na. Tomorrow na po. Ugma na sad ka mga reserve stocks, guys. Medyo abrihan na ako tanan actually. Yeah. That's it for tonight. Thank you for watching on my vlog. Vlog! Unboxing pala. So that's it. Thank you everyone. Let me take photo for this. The few swimsuit. Gamay ra siya. Like 9 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, 9 pieces lang. So, I hope you see it. Oh my God, thank you. Hello, umabot ng 36 minutes ang aking videos. So that's it lang for tonight, guys. Tomorrow na po ng iban, guys. So, look at them. Ang dami, diba? Look at that. A lot. Ala. Kita niyo ba? Yeah, that's it na po. Dako kayo. Basta mo na to. Bye. Good night. Ay!